Hi, grateful to have you with us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here to do a walk around with you on a 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat SRT. The point of our walk arounds is transparency, to show you all the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights features and options of the Hellcat, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either of those, plus get a free CARFAX report, view the original Windows sticker, get some financing options, or a shipping quote to ship the Hellcat anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of our video, you'll be able to hear the exhaust note and the engine running on the Hellcat, so please stay with us. Thanks again for joining us. Let's get to the walk around. All right, doing the walk around on the Hellcat. As you can see, the tread that's left on the tires. There are a couple of very tiny chips here in the windshield, some of which have cracked in any way. Very, very small chips that if I wasn't zooming in, you would not be able to see them. But as I said in the beginning of our video, we're trying to be as transparent as we can so that you can see this stuff before you come out. But other than that, as you can see, the finish is in like new condition. So are the wheels. There is a chip here. That one is only in the stripe. This one is in the paint. Showing you with my finger as a point of reference. Trunk is clear. So is the entire driver's side. No dents, dings, heavy scratches. Roof. For 3 years and 32,000 miles plus, this is above average condition and one you should consider if you're in the market for a Hellcat. Let's look at the interior. All right, showing you what doesn't show up on our website, which is the headliner and the sunshade, which in this vehicle is in like new condition. Also, the top of the dash, which is also in perfect condition. If you have any questions about the condition, interior or exterior, or some financing options, call Jennifer. Her number is at the top of your screen.